Welcome to Limitless Life. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to make amazing DIY gifts. Let's dive into some quick and easy DIY gifts that'll wow your friends and family. First up, the classic mason jar cookie mix. Layer your favorite cookie ingredients in a jar, slap on a cute label, and boom, instant gift. Next, let's talk about personalized mugs. Grab a plain mug, some oil-based Sharpies, and unleash your inner Picasso. Bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes to set your masterpiece. Want something a bit more heartfelt? DIY photo coasters are the way to go. Print your fave pics, Mod Podge them onto tiles, and seal with a waterproof spray. Perfect for those coffee table moments. And for the plant lovers, how about a mini succulent garden? Recycle an old teacup, add some soil, and plant a cute succulent. Easy, green, and totally adorable. So, there you have it. 4 fantastic DIY gifts that are fun to make and even more fun to give. Happy crafting!